Good afternoon and welcome back to another vlog. So we have just checked out of our hotel, the Hotel Manoir Victoria, and it was an amazing little stay. But we are now at the train station in Quebec City as we are getting a train from here to Montreal, where we are then meeting our driver Nicholas, and he's taking us to, I think we're going to Montebello today, or Tremblant. But yeah, so let's see what a train ride is like here in Canada.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind?
So we are on board the train. We've just been given orange juice and a coffee, and we are just approaching apparently one of the most beautiful parts of the train journey. So you can see out here, well, it's just snow here at the moment, but in a second apparently there's a great view.
She's awake all the time. What are you?
We've got a smoothie, acai bowl type thing, a croissant, some fruit, oh, and little Tic Tac. So we've just arrived in Montreal and we're heading out of the city, but first we've come to Tim Hortons. Gonna go get coffee and then something to eat before heading out back to the mountains.
All I do is thinking out loud, 'cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster, you're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind?
So we have just arrived in Tremblant. We've just checked into the Marriott residence in Tremblant, Mount Tremblant, and we've got a beautiful little apartment. It's got 2 double beds in here, as you can see, and then we've got a little kitchen here. Yeah, not that we'll need that. And then a living room, and then I'll show you the balcony as well.
Through our phone in the night, no, I'm here by your side. So tell me, where are you now? When your head is in the clouds, I wanna find out now, 'cause I'm vibing with all we have.
Good afternoon. So we have just checked into our hotel and headed straight out. We are off snowshoeing. You can see below me right now. We're just going for a bit of a walk through the forest with a guide, Nicholas and Sandy, they're back there. But yeah, just going for an evening walk with the snowshoes on. I'm gonna go find some deep snow.
I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud, 'cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster, you're messing with my head. I'm ending up so close.
We have just woken up and we've just checked out of our hotel, and we've just come up the mountain. We just got the gondola up here, which you would have just seen just now, and we're going on another gondola now up the mountain to the top with our guide, who's going to show us some incredible views from the top. And then later on we come back down. We're going to have lunch in the village, and then we are heading to PARC Omega to see some animals. And then this afternoon we are heading to Montebello, which is one of the most famous resorts in Canada, and we are staying in the Fairmont, which I'm told is one of the most beautiful hotels in North America. So let's see if it lives up to expectations.
So clueless, what are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions.
We've just come up in the ski lift and it is cold right now. But yeah, just good afternoon. Well, good afternoon, good morning. It's we've just been to the lake. We went up the mountain this morning, but now we are off for a early lunch at what's it called? Le Shack?
Le Shack.
Le Shack. And did you just say that the poutine was really good?
Yeah. Apparently,
okay,
yes.
so we're gonna get some poutine for lunch, I think. So we've just arrived at Parc Omega, and it's a bit like a safari park. If you know what Woburn Safari Park's like, it's similar to that, but obviously with lots of native Canadian animals here. So we've just done a little bit of a drive through the main entrance and fed some deer, some carrots, and we've just come over to another little section up near the lake, and we're going to go feed some now. So I'll show you. Hello. Oh, no, you need to count the road.
Is it because he wants a carrot?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they do. Now we're fully out of carrots.
Yeah, out of carrots.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need's right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me.
Good morning. Is it morning? Maybe afternoon now, who knows. We've just checked out of the Fairmont. We had an amazing massage this morning, but yeah, then had to pack up, and we have now arrived at a authentic sugar shack. I don't really know what we're getting ourselves in for here. We've heard so many different stories on what this place is like and what we're going to be doing, but we have just arrived, and there's a gorgeous husky just down here, can you see, called Winter. So Sandy's just following the dog around. But yeah, we are going to go to a sugar shack and learn more about the production of sugar here in Canada, in Quebec, and yeah, so I'll take you with me now.
So, hi everyone. We are inviting Sandy and Sophie's into a sugar shack. Sugar shack is all about maple syrup. I don't know if you know, but Quebec is the biggest producer of maple syrup in the world, and the sugar season always starts around end of February, beginning of March, and it goes about mid-April. And you know, this season, this sugar season as well, is time with Easter. So it is a tradition for French Canadian to come to a sugar shack, to have a sugar shack meal for Easter or around Easter, with the families and friends and all of that. So a sugar shack meal, pretty much, it's you're gonna see eggs, potatoes, ham, pancakes, different type of food as well. It's a traditional meal that lumberjack or fur trapper will bring in the woods to keep them warm during those end of winter days.
120-acre maple farm. Welcome to Sucrerie de la Montagne, means maple farm or sugar shack of the mountain. We've continued the traditional method of making maple syrup. So we're collecting maple water from the maple trees the old-fashioned way. We have 2,000 buckets installed all around the forest, and it takes about 5 of us almost a week to install all the buckets. And then with freezing nights and thawing days, we get maple water coming up the tree, and drop by drop they'll fill up the buckets.
Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
what did he say? This is like a chutney,
Yes.
beetroot. Beetroot.
Betterave, beet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and gherkin.
Cornichon pickle.
Cornichon.
Be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need.
Sugar pie, and then pancake, and then more maple syrup.
Wash it over me, yeah. We got everything.
Guys, wow, we've just finished lunch. My tummy is full. That was incredible. We had, oh my god, so much food. Just to start, and then maple syrup and everything. We had beans, we had meats, we had sausage, we had everything, and then we had pancakes, and we had pie, and then we had a bit of maple beer and just everything. So we are very full right now, and now we are going to go get some taffy as well, because of course we need more food.
Wash it over me.